What is this? Squash. Yeah. All right. Down here. Find the hole here. We got one. Take it out of the pot. Now just get a hold of the pot and kind of hold it like that. And don't get a hold of the little plant because they're real tender. And put it right down in that hole right there. Right there. Yeah. Let me get it started for you there. Now then, take your hand and rake some of that dirt around it. Yeah. There you go. Just shove it in there. Get some from this other side over here.
Even this side?
Not the lumps. Don't get the lumps. Get the like this right here where it's loose. Get some of that. Pull it in there. Get some of this over here. Get it down in there. Just fill it in over the top of that pot. Okay? I'll hold the plant up so it don't get caught. And you can bust that up. Yeah, just.
They're kind of doing a guitar thing.
More dirt. Get more dirt around it. Bunch of dirt.
Pile it around it. Scoop it in there, boy.
Rake it
there
in
you
there.
Go. That's the way. Just pull it down in there. Just fill it up. Yeah. Just fill it up. Just keep bringing it in. Yep. Get big scoops of it. Like that. See this? Now bring some in on this other side over here.
What are you guys doing?
From right here. Just dig down in there and push a whole bunch of it.
What are these?
He's up planting.
Oh yeah.
He's us planting. This was squash, wasn't it? Yeah.
Are we gonna plant another one?
Yeah, we can plant another one. And then I firm it in.
Hey, I see some
And
strawberries.
then what I do is I make
some
Hey,
strawberries.
listen. Hey, boys, listen. Be
Okay,
quiet.
if you see a ripe strawberry, go ahead and get it.
Well,
Right, but
watch Grandpa. He's going to tell you what you need to do this last part.
Yeah, see, you bring this dirt around it so that if it rains, it'll puddle up in there and catch the water. And leave it.
Not too close.
Leave a dam, kind of a little dam around it, okay?
There you go. Oh, that's good. Where it'll kind of water will kind of.
Yeah. And it'll catch that water and let it soak in, okay? Okay, we want to plant another one? If I can get up, that's my problem. I can hardly get up and down anymore.
Gonna plant another one.
Yep.
the strawberries,
Yeah.
there's lots of them.
Don't step on those plants.
Uh-huh. Well, just leave that because that's kind of to keep the water. See how Grandpa is? Grandpa ain't very stable. I'm going to put a little dirt down in the hole because it's a little bit deep. Okay. Now then, fill in around it. Okay? Here you go, Rhea. Just push that dirt in there. Let's plant that plant. Uh-oh.
Now, do you want to look at the strawberries?
Let it break. It's a real tender plant.
There's some right here.
Okay. Now then, what would you like to do now? Would you like to plant another one? Uh-huh. Okay, let me dam this one up.
This was the last hole that I see.
Well, I'm gonna dig another one too.
I want to bring some home too.
Take that one to Papa.
I want being a papa.
Give that to Rhea, Kingston. Let her hand it to Papa. Don't let her step on it. Oh, 2 hands, baby. Put your cards down. Or
You got
snacks.
her
Or
candy,
candy.
her cookies or something over there. Oh. Okay, you know what this one is?
What?
It's cantaloupe.
Did I grab the right one? Do I need to grab a different
Yeah,
one?
no, I got 2 cantaloupes. This is one of the I think
rock.
there's another one, isn't there?
Yeah.
This is rock. This is rock.
Uh-huh. Now then, fill dirt in around this one.
Fill dirt around it, baby. Let me hold this for you. Help him.
Push dirt in.
Put the dirt in.
Okay.
I'm gonna get this out of the way.
My hand.
That's okay. Get them dirty.
Looks like
You help him.
Well, you gotta get your hands dirty if you do gardening. Right?
Yep, yep.
It looks like the strawberries are one day away from being ripe.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I gave Grandma a big old pretty ripe one a while ago. You might look around, you might find a ripe one.
Go get another one.
Yeah, okay. We got that one in.
There's Mama carrying number 4.
You did?
Bring that plant to Pawpaw, baby.
It's red.
Okay, bring it to Papa.
You got that one for Pawpaw?
All of them are strawberries.
She's got this one for you, Pawpaw.
There's little green strawberries on all them plants. See them little green strawberries down there? See that little green strawberry?
Here you go, Pawpaw.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sweetheart. Well, won't you hang on to it while I dig the hole?
You want your shovel?
Yeah.
Kingston, bring Pawpaw a shovel.
Bring me the shovel.
Kingston, what, Kingston? Don't step on the plant, Bubba.
If it wasn't so dark.
Then Rhea,
It's
stop.
too heavy, Raya. Raya, it's too heavy.
Rhea, stop
Let Bubba
pushing
do
me
it.
to the side by the plants.
Wasn't so dark, you could probably find some of the strawberries.
We found a couple that was kind of red.
Okay, we'll get them.
I don't think they're quite ready.
Well, if they got a little red on them, they'll be all right.
Okay.
Yeah, one should be ready.
Well, who's going to help Pawpaw dig that hole? Pop?
Yeah, go help Papa dig the hole.
Okay.
No, this way, baby. This way.
Papa, I think there's one ready.
And don't step on the plants.
Okay.
Step over here. Go around that way.
Papa, I think there's one ready.
Okay.
I see a green one.
Okay.
Pawpaw digging a hole. They help put dirt in there.
Okay. Now this one would be easy. Just push all this dirt.
Yeah. Uh-huh. That's a little better dirt there, ain't it? Ain't so clumpy. Of course, the clumps, some of them break up real easy.
Okay.